Hello, everyone. This is Calvin Russell, CEO and founder of 850 Club Credit. Hope everyone's doing well today. As we all know, anytime that there's a natural disaster, this is times where it's a lot of chaos, right? You got a lot of unsureness. You got a lot of obviously devastation. People got to come back and kind of rebuild and kind of get some things going. It is insane. But one thing that you cannot forget is obviously bills that you have, right? If you got a car note and whether your car was obviously submerged into water, you obviously got to start that process when there's a house. But what happens if it's not a car or a house, right? What happens if it's that personal loan, that credit card debt, that utility bill payment? You still got to use these services. It's not like you're not trying to go to work. You can't go immediately. So what do you have in situations like this? Well, credit reports and credit bureaus are already set and prepped, and it's called national disaster, not necessarily relief, but that's usually what the reason is going to be. But you have to give them a call. So you have to call your creditors and say, hey, listen, clearly you know where I live. You don't have to start off like that, obviously, but going into, hey, my house was taken, this, I live in this area, this, I'm not in a position to pay you XYZ. But you have to call them. They're not going to call you. They may send you a letter. They may send you a text. They may send something. I highly doubt they even call you, but it is on you to make sure that you reach out to them. And a lot of these services are usually online. And you're able to say, hey, I've been affected by the most recent Hurricane Ivan. And of course, I'm requesting financial assistance or whatever that can end up being. It's usually a payment deferment, right? Essentially, you're saying, hey, we're just going to wait for you to make your payments at a later date. No different than when COVID was there as well. So but that's essentially a national disaster reason. And it happens all the time, guys. But it is nothing that is automatic. You have to do this. Does the world know what happened? Absolutely. But at the same time, you have to reach out to your creditors. You have to reach out to the financial companies that, of course, that are expecting monthly payments from you. And you have to let them know, hey, I'm in a financial position. I was affected by Hurricane Ivan, and I simply cannot make payments at this time. And they will adjust the credit reports and go from there. But make sure you confirm that with them and make those phone calls as needed. OK, guys. Now, there's no guarantee that a company has to do this, but most are typically doing it because obviously it's insensitive and rude if they don't. But most companies are going to step in and they already know the drill because everybody's going to make those phone calls anyway. But you have to make sure that you make that phone call on a personal note because, again, it is not automatic. OK, so and it's not driven by law. They don't have to do these things and they don't have to. There's no telling how long that could be. It could be 6 months of assistance, 3 months of assistance. There's no set terms on this, but you have to make that phone call to find out what your options are. OK, but of course, if you like this video, like it, and you want to share it. And as always, be sure to subscribe as we got nothing but great content well on the way. Thank you guys so much. Have a great day.